that Kirkwood tower. They're innovative, but still worth filming. Let's switch someone to get on this side. Were there any desks at 15 or did you see out there? No? We'll just get off at 15 then.
I might as well just get off at the first floor. According to the map, this place has a service elevator, but I don't know if it's original or not, but I'll check.
Okay, go ahead and check. If it's original, maybe it'll be worth it.
Yeah. I don't even know what brand this is.
It used to be something.
Yeah. This is definitely an older mod, if you don't know.
It seems like it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get off.
This is at the Kirkwood Tower, right off of the Katy Freeway.
Hi.